Hello everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Corndog in Illinois on the Stryker SR-955HP. Corndog got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment as well as voltage regulator upgrade and your ERF2030 plus MOSFETs and the other mods that you requested. And got your clarifier, transmit, receive tracking together. And right there, right now. Okay. 100-watt slug, we're going to roll it all the way down. Sitting there about 2 watts all the way down. And just about 18, 19 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Oh, 66 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Oh, 120 PEP. Alrighty, Corndog. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.